Hello students, welcome again in this new session of learning C programming. Today again we are going to talk about the next operator, and that is size of operator. Size of, as the name says, it says about the size of the total bytes occupied by particular variable in the computer memory. So sometimes we can use as a keyword, or we can also use as a function. Determine the size in bytes of the data type of the variable. So maybe the array or maybe the initialize structure. So for any variable we can use sizeof to find out the total bits of the bytes using memory. So let's see an example to understand about this one. You can write with me for better understanding. Let's take some variables of different types. Let's do copy and paste. It is for float. It is for char. It is for double. Here B. C. D. So let's save it. Let's run the program. We can see here for variables A, B, C, D of different types. First is integer, float, char, double, and they have occupied in memory. Integer has occupied 4. Earlier it was 2, and actually total number of bytes or the bits occupied by particular variable. It also depends on the architecture of compiler, what compiler or which compiler we are using there. Similarly, float, it is occupying 4 bytes in memory. Char, it is 1, and double, it is occupying 8. In this way we can also about this size of operator. Nothing more is there. I think you are clear about this one. If you have any confusion, put your comments in the comment box. I'll make you more clear. And if you like the video, just go for the into that hit button. There is written that subscribe. Just press that. If you need such type of any other video which I have not mentioned, which I have not made, just let me know. Thank you.